I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
So these are the shipping both. So this one, and when I called, they told me that I should remove all this one, and then I will check the leveling of the machine. So for the leveling, I think it is stable. Then you can see that when I remove the hood, the shaking and the vibration will stop. So this spanner comes with the machine. So that's what I'm going to use.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges.
So these are the shipping bolts that I have been able to remove, the 4 of them. Hopefully the machine stops vibrating. I will check and let you know.
Lately